Welcome back to Fibonacci's Trader, your ultimate guide to mastering the markets. Today, we dive into a high-stakes market update, focusing on Palantir and a major December 13th catalyst that could redefine its trajectory. We'll explore its recent pullback, analyze price action, and uncover why analysts are buzzing about this stock. Plus, discover the explosive growth potential tied to the NASDAQ 100 inclusion. Stay tuned. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Fibonacci's Trader. I hope everyone is having an excellent day. Today we're diving into a market update covering everything you need to know, with a focus on Palantir. Specifically, there's been a lot of buzz about December 13th, this Friday, and why it could serve as a significant catalyst for Palantir. We'll also discuss its current price action and examine insights from various analysts who have shared differing opinions. We've reached 6,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much. Can we reach 7,000 subscribers by the new year? That's the challenge. Let's see if we can do it. Don't forget to hit that like button. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. Palantir has been pulling back slightly, but that's not necessarily a negative. In fact, I find this encouraging, given the impressive rally we've witnessed. Take a moment to check out this fascinating chart. Palantir is currently the best performing stock in the S&P 500, surpassing Nvidia, Vistra, and others by a significant margin. Its valuation is incredibly high, which is widely acknowledged, yet it remains disconnected from reality. Momentum is accelerating for Palantir, which brings us to why December 13th could further drive this acceleration. Motley Fool recently published an article suggesting Palantir has a strong chance of being included in the NASDAQ 100 this December. Let's delve into why this might happen and its potential implications for Palantir Technologies. Recall that last month, Palantir transitioned its stock listing from the New York Stock Exchange to the NASDAQ exchange. The company expects to meet the eligibility criteria for the NASDAQ 100, a major growth-focused index tracked by numerous ETFs, index funds, and institutional investors. The NASDAQ 100 is reconstituted annually, with changes announced after market close on the second Friday of December, which is December 13th this year. These changes take effect on the first trading day following the third Friday, which falls on December 23rd. Motley Fool claims Palantir is the largest NASDAQ-listed company not yet included in the NASDAQ 100, making its inclusion highly probable. Historically, stocks added to the NASDAQ 100 have averaged a 17% return in the following year, although past performance is no guarantee of future results. Given Palantir's current momentum, the bull market we're experiencing, and the ongoing AI boom, inclusion in the NASDAQ 100 could lead to increased passive buying through index funds like the QQQ, which tracks the NASDAQ 100. This could exert significant upward pressure on Palantir's share price. With this momentum, it's conceivable that Palantir might approach the $100 mark. However, if Palantir is not included, or if broader market conditions shift, we might see increased volatility and further pullbacks, presenting potential entry points for investors. A healthy correction, consolidation, and support-building process can be beneficial for any stock. Recently, Palantir found resistance around $80, and if it gets included in the NASDAQ 100, it could break through that level. Analysts have noted the government remains Palantir's largest client, and recent partnerships, including a $36.8 million contract with the U.S. Special Operations Command, highlight its expanding opportunities. Looking ahead, Palantir has breathing room around the $70-$60 range for potential support and reversal zones. Meanwhile, Alphabet Google continues to make headlines today thanks to the announcement of its breakthrough quantum computing chip, Willow. This chip marks a significant milestone in the journey toward commercially viable quantum computing and sparked reactions from key industry players like Elon Musk and Nvidia. What are your thoughts on Palantir's chances of being included in the NASDAQ 100? How do you see its price action evolving? So, what do you think about Palantir? Let me know in the comments below. Just say I stayed until the end. Thank you very much. Until the next video, stay safe.